Bowling is concerned, even though yesterday's pitch and Dubai pitch is different, even though the bowling yesterday was considered a lot of
3 or
runs.
2007 World Cup, try to look on those episodes. India always tried.
Rana Sahab, as we're talking about India, what do you say about Pakistani team which has announced as New Zealand? We're going to tackle New Zealand making him vice captain.
No.
Even though he did not have performances.
Shadab was, I guess,
Rana Sahab, lastly, before we conclude, obviously Salman Butt has criticized Shoaib Akhtar for calling Babar Azam a fraud, and we know
I
Babar
think
Azam
Babar has been sacked and it's a good decision. Now what Babar can do is he can
that
go
he
back.
selected Saudi in World Cup in Champions Trophy. Then again, they dropped him. from New
Yes,
Zealand
yes,
series.
yes. I guess that you can say like New Zealand, they are a full-fledged team. They are playing with their full strength of the.
चलो दोनों ही कर लेते. So there are lots of discussion happening in sport, and Tahir bhai and Rana Sahab are with us today. How are you both?
I'm good, Akib. What about you?
Rana Sahab, Tahir bhai, how are you doing?
May good Akib, God is so kind. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir bhai. And you stayed a statement with regards to Pat Cummins that he said that India should not be picking and choosing where they want to play each match, and their menus should be neutral. It should be equal to all.
Akib, this thing is definitely not good for India. Ask me question, why?
Why, Tahir bhai?
The reason is, Akib, if India is consistent, fans, thank you.
Thank you for joining us.
Autograph will be later, okay. So, Akib, I was talking about this thing will definitely ruin the performance of India. The reason is, if you are like making lame excuses of playing on the same menu, do you think that other team will accept your same lame excuses? Till how long India will be act upon on these lame excuses? So the main thing is India's repo has been shattered very badly. Pat Cummins, whether it is Michael Atherton, whether it is Nasir Hussain, and so on, Michael on whatsoever. Everyone is just criticizing them on this their childish and kiddish behavior. So just because of so-called Jesha. So I think India should align their intention and
Concept is
positive
wrong,
intention.
Sabi.
And this concept is Akib, totally wrong.
Yes.
We don't accept this concept, but what we can do is we request to India and Jesha, please have mercy on yourself, on your player, on your team, and other cricketing nations as well. And please don't restrict your team on a tiny venue of UAE.
Rana Sahab, this is my question to you as well. They have such a great team. They have such a talented pool of players. Why they are doing these kind of petties?
Yeah,
Why they are afraid?
Akib, we are also not sure that why they have done this. Like they have a chance to come to Pakistan to play in Pakistan, and they can easily win the matches in
Officials
Pakistan
and
as
journalists
well.
are coming also.
Journalists are coming. BCCI persons are also coming in Pakistan. So why not their team? Why not their team should be in Pakistan as well? So, but I guess what they have done is totally shame, and we want that India should not do this in future, and we want that New Zealand should win the Champions Trophy final on Sunday as well.
And Rana Sahab, what do you think New Zealand need to do if they want to win this final? Because they were close to beating India in the group
Exactly,
match as well.
exactly.
The way they bowled, they fought hard with the ball.
For me, I guess spin bowling will be the crucial part in final. If New Zealand will be able to take quick wickets, then definitely New Zealand is going to win the final match.
Tahir bhai, do you think New Zealand bowling is a concern? Even though yesterday's pitch and Dubai pitch is different, even though the bowling yesterday was considered a lot of runs when Miller hit them for sixes as well, even though they dropped his catches as well.
Yes, Akib, I definitely agree with you that catches win matches, and here what happened is catches lose the matches, right? So, Akib, I think as Akil narrated, and I will second his statement, New Zealand should try to take early wickets from India. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for New Zealand
Tahir bhai, they should
to capture this game.
They should chase in the final.
Akib, I think New Zealand should not chase. They should try to bat first India, because the reason is Indian has been capable of achieving the target up to great extent. In 2003 or 2007 World Cup, try to look on those episodes. India always preferred to bat on the second, whether they win the toss.
Even in 2017 final,
Definitely.
they chose to bowl.
So they are built for chasing the target, and no doubt we should admire this fact. Indian batting is just outclassed. So it is the only weapon which can efficiently be used by Indian to win this match.
And then, sorry, Rana Sahab, as we're talking about India, what do you say about Pakistani team which has announced as New Zealand? We're going to tackle New Zealand next week. Maybe New Zealand is going to play their second strength team.
Yeah,
After
for
also
me,
rested their
like
players.
Pakistan are going with their young talent, and we are totally supporting that young talent, and we want some 3 or 4 new faces in Pakistan, so that we should polish them for the future World Cup, which will happen next year. So for me, I guess Pakistan should focus on gaining some new talent, and they should work on polishing 3 or 4 new talent, just as they have polished Saim as well. So for me, I guess New Zealand, I guess they will be also going with their second team as well.
But honestly, do you think Shadab's call was worthy, making him vice captain?
No.
Even though he did not have performances.
Shadab was, I guess, unnecessary, and for me, Shadab should be in the team. But as a vice captain, we will
Very
go
questionable.
with Muhammad Haris is a good option for vice captain along with Salman Agha as the captain. So for me, I guess that totally doesn't make any sense.
And Tyro, what do you say? Shadab Khan out of the blue made vice captain. We've dropped him before because of poor performances. He's back again.
Again, it is not surprising for me because it is now has been the trend in the Pakistani team that whoever is performing bad, he can be and he could be the strongest contestant.
If your
of
father-in-law is powerful,
Exactly. So this is the reason. Not only if you look at the Misbah's era, Misbah was out of the team for a good years, but he came back as a captain.
and you know he had tussle with Afridi
Yes.
for captaincy.
So that tussle badly affected the Pakistani team as well. So I think Akib, in Pakistani team, the meritocracy of captaincy should be adopted. If a person has played just 6 matches, I will not reiterate the name. If a person has played only 6 matches and you are making him as a captain, how foolish this thing is, Akib. Look at the Wasim and Waqar era where their captaincy has been a very difficult task to achieve this goal. So, but now it's, I think, the most easy thing is to become captain in Pakistan is perform poor and you become the captain.
But I do think Salman Agha in T20 is a good choice for captaincy because he is more of a better player of longer format cricket.
Yeah, Akib, he's
And I think he's made a scapegoat.
He's a good choice, but the main thing is the consistency. How consistent he could be retained as a captain. If he could be retained as a captain up to 3 to 4 years, it will be the biggest achievement of PCB as well. Look, Graham Smith, he was also made captain at very young age and he proven himself.
I think was there for a decade at least.
Even Michael Clark has been appointed as the captain. Ponting as well. So I keep Pakistani team, Pakistani management not only should work on building the long team. I think it will be a very hard task for them. What they can do over his, make some policies, make some footsteps to appoint a captain. For God's sake, otherwise your team can't be survive in international arena.
And Rana Sahab, lastly, before we conclude, obviously Salman Butt has created as Shoaib Akhtar for calling Babar Azam a fraud, and we know Babar Azam has been removed from the T20 team. So how do you see where the
You know
management is
that-
going with regards to Babar Azam?
Akib, I guess everybody knows that Babar Azam is a world-class player, but definitely he is not in a good shape right now, and not in a form. So we really hope that Babar should play at least 6 months in the first class, and then he can gain his form, and definitely he will be performing well. But we are supporting Babar Azam, and we are hoping that Babar and Rizwan should be in the T20 team for the World Cup that will happen next year.
Taibir, what do you want to ask? That Babar Azam has been removed from the T20 team, and Shoaib Akhtar Bhai also called him fraud. You straight this statement.
No, Akib, we should not put more blame on Babar Azam because Akib, Babar Azam is not responsible. We are comparing Babar with Virat by which combo? Ask me, poke me question. By
combo?
how can we compare?
Someone was saying what are Virat's heroes, what are Babar's?
Akib, Virat has been accompanied by Rohit Sharma,
Sachin, great Tendulkar.
Pandey, Dhoni, Tendulkar. What a great era Virat had
Dhoni
in
the
past.
great
So
maestro.
compare the Babar's pair with even a single player.
Who was training Babar?
Only
No one.
Rizwan was there. Rizwan is also shattered. But who other Rizwan? Who is other than Rizwan? So that's the reason Babar has struggled a lot, and we should back up the Babar. Not sure Shoaib Bhai is a my respectable cricketer.
He is a big
but
player.
the main thing is we should to inquire that where Shoaib Bhai has given this statement, and Shoaib Bhai should give some explanation on this statement.
That's why he
Why have said this statement? I think he should have positive intent at the back end because he is the only welfare cricketer who just thought good thinking about the Pakistani team. So I think Babar has been sacked and it's a good decision. Now what Babar can do is he can go back into first class era.
Yes.
If Babar has been sacked and he will stay at home, Babar will ruin his cricket further. The main thing is until unless he won't indulge himself in the first class cricket, Babar won't survive.
And Rana Sahab, I was shocked that you selected South in World Cup in Champions Trophy. Then again, they dropped him. from the
Yes,
select
yes,
series.
yes. I
This is
guess
a bit-
that
he scored a half century. Also
this is
last
not
match.
making sense that you are just like adding the player in Champions Trophy and you are just dropping in the series. So I guess Pakistan should focus on this. Pakistan should focus on consistent players, and we want a full-fledged team, just like India or just like you can say like New Zealand. They are a full-fledged team. They are playing with their full strength of their bowling and their batting. So we want a full-fledged team with proper batting and proper bowling as well.
You know, so thank you so much, inshallah.
Thank you, Aqib. Fans.
That's it for the video. Like and subscribe to Sports for more content like this. And then goodbye for me. Rana Sahab, Tayyar Bhai, and fan side to myself. And
Allah Hafiz. Take care.